I've got a few cycling friends who are afraid to go high saddles or clipless, so today I'm going to share with you a few tips that will help with those. Hi, welcome to Gadgets with Alan. You have just started cycling as a hobby or a workout. You might be wondering when you're out cycling, why would somebody raise their saddle height or even going clipless? I've put out some videos that will help you understand and explain the benefits of going high saddle and clipless. I would recommend that you check them out. Those are really helpful information. Coming back, when my wife and I started cycling as a hobby and a form of workout since last year, I taught her a few tricks that would help her to go high saddle and also preparing her for the clipless. And to properly demonstrate those tips, I have engaged the help of my wife to show how they are done. So number one, you need to relearn how you mount a bicycle. Never go for the saddle right away. Instead, go over the saddle and stand right above the top bar. If you have difficulty lifting your leg high enough to clear the saddle, you can always tilt the bike to one side. Number two, you need to start off pedaling at this position where you're standing above the top bar. Have one of your feet stand on the pedal at its lowest point and the other foot on the ground. The trick here is to only sit onto the saddle when you start moving, not when you are stationary. So to do that, you push yourself forward with the foot on the ground, and when the bike started moving forward, stand up straight, forming a capital A with your leg. And now you can ease your body backward and sit onto the saddle, the other foot on the pedal, and continue pedaling. Now number three is how to stop and dismount the bike. Over here, there is one very important habit that you must pick up, and that is to lift your butt off the saddle before your foot off the pedal. To do that, first rest your body onto one leg, stand up straight while shifting your body forward, forming a capital A with your legs again. Now gently bending the knee of the foot that is on the pedal and lowering the other foot onto the ground. Brakes as you come to a stop and touch down. That's it. So the point to remember is that when you are mounting and dismounting, your body is always shifting forward and backward instead of sideways. So the key thing is practice as much as you can at different speed but not too fast. Try to test out various stopping distance. It will be a second nature to you in no time. One friend told me that she lacked the confidence of going high saddle, let alone clipless. My answer to that is confidence doesn't fall from the sky. You need to practice and work hard to gain that confidence. So do not overthink it. Let's talk more work. With those tips that I have shared with you today, hopefully you can manage it as well. My wife Linda will be changing her pedal to clipless in a few weeks time, so I'll be doing a video on that based on her learning experience and how to practice doing it. If you're interested in that video, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button for video notification. In the meantime, do like this video and share with your cycling friends, especially those who are thinking of going high saddle and even clipless, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!